If you want to install Good Lock on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, then all you have to do is simply go to the Galaxy Store, which is this app over here, this Store app. And after that, we're gonna simply search for Good Lock over here. So tap on this search icon in the top right corner, write Good Lock. There we go. And you should be able to find the app over here. And let's install it. And now, after a short while, you should be able to open the app. You can open it from the store, or you can just go to the app drawer as well. You should be able to find it somewhere. And once you open it, you can start looking for additional apps or plugins that come with the Good Lock app. So we can press green continue. And over here we have all these extensions and additional apps that we can download, essentially. And you can tap on these in order to find out what they do. You don't have to install every single one of them, but this is how we can set up Good Lock on our Z Flip 7 and Z Flip 7 FE. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.